Okay, ready? Tell me if you can hear this.
Yeah, I can hear it.
That's 12 kilohertz. Tell me if you can hear this.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Can you hear that?
Yeah.
That's 14 kilohertz. I can't hear that. Can you hear this? What's that sound like? That's 15 kilohertz.
Oh my gosh.
Tell me when you can hear this. Ready?
I can hear it.
Can you hear that?
Yeah.
Can you hear it now? No? Now?
Mhm.
You can? That's 16 kilohertz. Okay, tell me, close your eyes. Tell me when you can hear this sound.
I can.
Can you hear that? Is it on or off now?
Off.
Close your eyes. Is it on? Close your eyes. Is it on now?
No.
Now?
No.
Now?
Yes.
Yep, that's right. 17 kilohertz. 24 and younger. Okay, let's go up to 20 kilohertz. Tell me when you can hear this. Close your eyes. Come in front of the camera. Come in front of the camera. Okay, tell me when you can hear this. Say now.
Now.
No, you didn't hear that. Can you hear it now? Is it on now?
Yeah.
Can you hear it?
No.
Now?
Yeah.
No, you're looking at the screen. I don't want you to look at the screen. Close your eyes. Look away. Tell me when you can hear this. You ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Tell me when it goes off.
Off.
Very good. Okay, that's 20 kilohertz. Tell me when you can hear this one. You ready?
No.
So
Don't let.
look at me. Is it on? Is it on? Is it on? Tell me when it goes off.
Off. I can't hear it.
Is it on now?
I don't know. I can't hear it.
Can you hear that? Very good.